Yo.
Good morning, Kathy. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Are you excited for your challenge?
I'm really excited.
All right, let's go ahead and step on that scale first and see where you're starting. Day 1, we're starting out at 293.2. Go ahead and write that up by your name there. Kathy, welcome in. How are you?
Great.
So you just finished your 6-week challenge.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
So amazing.
All right, well, are you ready to find out that number?
Okay.
All right, I wouldn't let you step on the scale before this.
No, Alright, here we go.
42 days later, you went from 293.2 to 270.2 for a total of 23 exact pounds down.
Just now, chunk it in reasonable chunks to feel less uncomfortable.
20 at a time, right?
20 at a time.
One goal at a time.
Great.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's change our lives together.